This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting immediately. Make a brief sincere dua for guidance, then remove distractions so your heart can settle. Once done, pick one ritual, dhikr, a short Quran reading, or giving something small in charity, and do it now. You need momentum. Performing one meaningful act reawakens feeling. Make sure to intend clearly why you act, because intention directs energy. This early sequence jumpstarts connection and primes you for deeper rebuilding steps coming next. You now deepen the habit by structuring small, consistent practices. Commit to 10-15 minutes daily of focused worship or reflection. Explain to yourself why each act matters as you go. Understanding strengthens feeling. Once done, add study. Pick one verse or hadith, read a short commentary, and journal one takeaway. Make sure to involve others. A friend, mentor, or local group provides accountability and support, which sustains momentum when solitary practice falters. You complete the process by setting sustainment rules. Schedule weekly reviews and simple metrics like days practiced or minutes spent. Once done, rotate activities so worship stays alive. Alternate dhikr, Quran reflection, and acts of service to prevent plateau. Make sure to celebrate small wins and adjust goals down if you're overwhelmed. If progress stalls, troubleshoot. Cut quantity, focus on quality and sincerity, and talk to a trusted mentor or counselor for perspective and renewed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.